Hey guys, what's up? It's Keith here again. So a little bit more tips and tricks here with Claude Code and Claude Cowork. So this is something that can happen to people who are beginners. You'll actually have be going strong in a session for a long period of time, building out developing your first site, doing some vibe coding, whatever it may be. But the session gets too long, and the context limit will be reached. And what happens is if you don't back up that CLAUDE.md file, then you're gonna just have to move to a new session, start over, and then start off where you left with the last backup. Okay, guys. So first of all, it's very important to back up all the time. And it's the second part about this is it's very important to either clear, use the / clear or / compact. So you very simply hit / compact, and then you'll see it come up, and you just choose it. And what this will do is basically compact the conversation so that you have just can put more in the session and stay in that same session. It's really important to do that because you don't want to have 3 or 4 sessions for one project. It just gets absolutely crazy, and then Claude Code or Cowork doesn't remember the context of the other sessions. Okay, guys. So again, / compact or / clear. Just make sure before you do that you back up the context in which you have in the session and back it up to that CLAUDE.md file. Okay, guys. If you like the video, guys, follow me. Give me some feedback in the comments. Or join my school. I have a school group called Unlimited Leads. That's SKOOL. That's Unlimited Leads. And I give a ton of free information. Basically, what I do is lead generation there. I build email lists, and I teach you like 7 ways to Sunday to build them, guys. So it's some great stuff, and it's all free. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.